Hey Tartlets, it's Jen, and today we're going to be doing a really fun dark makeup look. We're going to do a dark eye paired with a dark lip, and we're going to start out by taking the shade Drama from our Tarte Pro palette. Excuse my palette, it's very messy. It's been through the ringer. I use this bad boy a lot. The shade Drama is this dark plum shade right here. We're going to apply that all over our crease and right along the lower lash line. Now we're going to take the shade Punk and we're going to pack this on our lid and meet it up into that crease shade, but we're not going to go past the shade Drama. And then we're also going to line really tight our lower lash line with it. Now we're going to move away from eyes for a minute, but we're going to go back. We're going to go into complexion next, and I'm going to be using our Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation. I love this. It is so hydrating. Now I'm going to take our Shape Tape Contour Concealer in Fair, and I'm going to apply it right under the eyes, right here on my forehead, my chin, and my nose to help brighten. Now taking a soft fluffy brush, I'm just going to sweep it right along underneath the eye area, close to the shadow, but not touching it. Now it's time to contour, so I'm going to use our newly repackaged Amazonian Clay Park Ave Princess Waterproof Bronzer. Going back to eyes, we're going to take our Tarte Double Take Eyeliner and we're going to use the pencil liner end and we're going to line our waterline. Now I'm going to apply a couple coats of my favorite Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. Now we're going to top off this entire look with our Tarte Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint in the shade Acid Wash. Alright Tartlets, thanks for crossing over to the dark side with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial, and until next time, take care Tartlets.